My name's Brandy Lincoln. I work for Hell's Canyon Adventures. Hell's Canyon is the deepest gorge in North America. We offer jetboat tours, and that is safe for all ages. I can put everybody from baby to grandma on them and feel confident that I'm going to give them a great experience. They're going to experience the deepest portions, the biggest whitewater in Hell's Canyon, as well as learn about the history of the area. I think Idaho is a great destination because it has a lot of rivers, it has a lot of mountains, and then it also has some metropolitan areas. So it really covers any vacation that you would want to have, whether you want to go downtown Boise or visit a winery, or if you want to get out in the backcountry and you want to take a dirt road and you want to drive to the highest peak, you can do all of that. And I think that diversity makes it really amazing. Well, of course, I'm going to say my personal favorite activity is to experience a jetboat tour or a rafting adventure in Hell's Canyon. But honestly, that really is a huge part of my life. I have 2 kids and my husband and I, and this area, we can do anything. We can camp, we can hike, we can boat, we can raft, we can fish, we can swim, and we can get all of that done within an hour from our house. I would love to invite you to visit the south entrance of Hell's Canyon. Whether you want to take a jetboat ride, or you want to do whitewater rafting, or you want to fish, or you just simply want to drive into the canyon, I highly recommend you come visit us and check out this beautiful place.